Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the canvas. Set page size, margins, and gutter for print or ebook early so pagination is predictable. Next, create and modify paragraph styles, heading 1, heading 2, body text, and apply font, size, line spacing, and before slash after spacing. Once done, use clear formatting, then reapply styles to raw text. This prevents inconsistent spacing. This step saves hours because a single style change propagates through the whole manuscript, avoiding manual fixes later. You now structure the book. Insert section breaks between front matter, chapters, and appendices so you can vary headers and pagination. Then add running headers and footers. Set the page number start where chapter 1 begins and enable different odd slash even if facing pages are required. Place images with proper wrap or inline settings, set alt text, and compress where possible to control file size. Make sure to anchor images to paragraphs, so layout holds during edits and reflows. You finish by generating a table of contents from your heading styles, then update it and preview every section. Export to PDF for print or EPUB for ebook. Choose PDF/X1A for commercial printers. Check pagination, widows/orphans, and image quality. If something breaks, make a copy and revert to the last good save, then isolate the section causing shifts, often a rogue style or oversized image. Finally, proof a printed or device mockup to confirm the final layout before distribution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.